Dear participants, welcome you all. I am Professor Rajesh Tiwari, Associate Professor in the Computer Science and Engineering Department of Sri Shankaracharya Group of Institution Bhilai. I hope you and your family are doing well and taking all the necessary precautions under this pandemic period. More than 1,000 participants from more than 1,000 participants from different parts of our country, even few participants are from abroad, are part of this event. Thank you to all the participants to showing your interest in this event. Our complete department is thankful to you all for being part of this event. This program will give you brief knowledge about Linux Basic and GitHub. Linux has been around since the mid 1990s and has since reached a user base that spans the globe. Linux is actually everywhere. It is in your phones, your thermostats, in your cars, refrigerators, and televisions. It also runs most of the internet, all the world's top 500 supercomputers, and the world's stock exchange. Linux is one of the most reliable source and worry-free operating systems available nowadays. This is an open source. Now, a few about GitHub. GitHub brings together the world's largest community of developers to discover, share, and build better software. It is a code hosting platform for collaborations and version control. It can it can contain folders and any type of files. A GitHub repository can also be used to store ideas on any resources that you want to share. This, these all are the importance of the Linux and GitHub. So in this event, you learn how to work with Linux and GitHub. Both the softwares are free and are open source. Now, I want to invite my HOD, respected Dr. Samta Gazviya ma'am, to say a few words about this event. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to speak in front of all the participants. Uh, Respected Srimati Jaya Mishra, President of Sri Gangachali Education Society. Although because of a busy schedule, she is not here, but I would like to definitely thank Dr. P.B. Deshmukh, Director of Sri Shankaracharya Technical Campus Bhilai, all the faculty members and students from the country. I, Dr. Samta Gajbiye, heading the Computer Science and Engineering Department, on the behalf of department and the institute, welcome you all. It is an honor to be here with you today, even during this pandemic corona situation. It's a pleasure that the number of participants across the country crossed 1,000. My sincere thanks to all the participants who joined the FDP and made it possible to execute our thoughts and our efforts. We belong to a state of Chhattisgarh, centrally located, and is crowned as Dhan Ka Katora. Probably most of you have never visited to Chhattisgarh. Today, I am happy that although not physically, but virtually, we all are connected to it. So, I would like to brief you about the department and the college. Sri Gangajali Sri Shankaracharya Group of Institution. Earlier it was called as Sri Shankaracharya College of Engineering and Technology, is among one of the best institute in central India. With NAC A plus accredited, only in Chhattisgarh and is affiliated to Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University, Bhilai. The institute has been MHRD approved Institute Innovation Council and has been rated as 3-star for its initiative and support for innovation, startup, and idea. All the 7 departments in the institutes are NBA accredited. CSE department was recently accredited by NBA team in November 2019. The Department of CSE started in year 1999 with an initial intake of 60 students, and now it has been increased to 180 intake. Along with the UG course, the department runs PG courses too and is approved research center too. The number of PhD in the department are 10 with an average experience of 12 years. The department has more than enough resources that provides exposure to the students and faculties as well. We have tied up with a few organizations like Amazon Web Services, Cisco for networking, Red Hat for Linux, and IIT approved IIT approved Remote Center and Resource Center, under which today we could organize this FDP too. Here, I would like to proudly say that we have been organizing the hackathon since the last 3 years. Dr. P.B. Deshmukh for providing the guidance whenever required. I would also like to thank the chairman of Sri Gangajali Education Society, Sri I.P. Mishra ji, for providing the enough resources as and when required. With this, I would like to thank you all. Stay safe, stay at home, take care of yourself, take care of your kids, and for all your elders. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite our director, Dr. P.B. Deshmukh, to address you all. Thank you.
Hello, very good afternoon to all you. Ya Devi Sarvbhuteshu Vidyarupan Sanstita Namastasai Namo Namah. Respected all dignitaries, head of the department, professors, faculty members across the country, I welcome all you in this August gathering online for 5 days FDP program on the Linux Basics and GitHub. It is our great pleasure to organize this type of an FDP program in the COVID-19, where this is the first time we have the number of experience with last 3-4 months, though number of FDPs and webinars have been organized for the faculty and the students. And this is a one way. Before that, we had the sessions face to face, and that is the one experience, more knowledge, and what will the specific type of a knowledge has been shared. Expertise has been taken very well. Now the format mode has been changed. We are on the online. In online, you have the experience that there is maybe some disturbance due to this noise, vibration, noise. Some problem is there, but with the time, I expect that, and I assume that next 1 to 2 years we should be and we have to be online either forcefully or the else. So definitely we have to be in practice, and I think now with the number of sessions, all you as well as ourselves, we have been well matured to conduct these online sessions, and this is in the Association of IT Mumbai tutorial, spoken tutorial. We have organized this 5 days FDP program. I hope this FDP program will enhance your knowledge, your skills, as well as your the thought process in the recent technology, recent technology, and particularly this when I talk this COVID-19 era. This is a one opportunity, I think so. Always there is a question when there is a lockdown or when we are at the home and we have to go through this online. There is only the people says ki, sir, we have been limited by the space and we will be restricted in a specific space. But I say this is the opportunity, and always there is a one question arises. Now what I can do? मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? So definitely what I can do, there is a question and there is a lot of solutions, there are a lot of scope, there are a lot of opportunities may come in front of us through our thought process. So definitely in the future and seeing this total world scenario and this type of an corona or any other viruses in the future and the war and so on. So definitely it is a one sort of is a part of our life, particularly in the teaching academic, in the learning, teaching, learning process, in the academic process. This online will be our integral part. And definitely we have to live with it with a positive enthusiasm, with a positive motto, very good inspiration, and definitely when we have been the self motivated, lot of things will come in the form of the technological development. Here it is, here I request all you as well as and urge to all of you that we have to contribute for the development of our nation because the nation is facing fighting on the two levels. We are doing it at the corona level and at for the against the China and Pakistan and so on. But definitely we should stand with contribution our technology base. What may be the solutions to provide the solution to the number of problems, and therefore it is our duty of all faculty members that we have to develop a new solution, new technologies, new era, new means processes, so that country will develop, country will enhance in a different front, and we will fight against all these type of odds one with our positive thought. Therefore, I congratulate all you for joining this program and wish this program will be very helpful to you. And I request and urge to all that stay at home, be safe, take care of you, yourself, and your family. Thank you very much, and all the best. Good luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to our respected chairman, Sri IP Misra sir, President ma'am, Srimati Jaya Misra ma'am, our director sir, Dr. P.D. Deshmukh sir, and our HOD ma'am, Dr. Samta Gazliya ma'am, to and all the participants for giving their valuable time. All the participants can see the schedule in the link which is already posted in the groups. And if you have any query, post the query in your forum. And if you are facing a problem to share your problems in forum, then you can also use the groups of Telegram as well as WhatsApp to share the queries. Thank you all for giving us your valuable time. Thank you.